saying? Huh? Good morning. Meow. That's cute. Come here, baby. Come on. Hi, Piper. Hi, my beautiful kitty. I love you. You're gorgeous. And I love you. How are you? You tired like me? Yeah, I'm tired too. Wasn't that a cute little noise that you made? Hi, you guys. It's Piper. I'm Tara. Good morning. What's up? Let's do some treats. Hi, sweetie. You're a good kitty. I love you. Alright, you guys. I gotta get ready for work. So I hope you guys have a great day. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. We'll see you later. Bye.